So let's say that you wanted to Google synced across all the devices. So if you ever find the perfect recipe for an article into your computer and only to lose it when you walk away, so basically let's say that you don't need it to save even a bookmark. What you can do is to make sure that everything that you check so far is into exactly the same element. So to turn on the syncing, it's going to be really fast. So let's set up the home base. When you open your Chrome browser, it will be looking something like this. So now the next thing I wanted to focus on, for example, is into my three dots that appears into the upper right section. Inside here, I will be opening the three dots and look out for settings all the way down. Now what I need to do is to grab my phone or my tablet, open the Chrome application, do exactly the same thing. And when you sign in with the same Google account, you want to make sure that this one appears as synced and Google services. So it says your Chrome, it says to get passcodes, more, all into your devices, sign in as your email account. So what you wanted to do is to choose the one that says select the option, sign in, and continue as, and you go for yourself. A pro tip that I can give you is that you don't even have to wait for it to sync. If you have a specific page open into your PC that you wanted to read into the go, just right click into the actual tab at the top of and select send to your devices. Something that can be really useful when you want to go and check out directly into another device. As you can see, it says send to your device, and it will be automatically be sending directly inside the process. Actually, it's not that hard. You pick your phone from the list and a notification will pop up on your mobile screen instantly. This is the fastest way to switch the screen without missing an actual beat. Now you're truly mobile. If this tip made your life a little bit easier, you want to hit that like button and subscribe to Easy Tech Daily for more daily tech shortcuts. If you're syncing between PC and an iPhone or an Android, you can let us know in the comments below and tell us what is really hesitating, what is fast, what is really hard to do, or what can be improved among Google. Thank you for watching. Hopefully we can all see you next time.